Oh yeah, there.
This is 𝐸𝐸𝐡𝐚𝐼. 𝐸𝐸𝐡𝐚𝐼. The modern market in 𝐸𝐸𝐡𝐚𝐼 area. 𝐸𝐸𝐡𝐚𝐼. This is the situation report in Ogun State. This is 𝐸𝐸𝐡𝐚𝐼 in the new modern market in 𝐸𝐸𝐡𝐚𝐼 area of Ogun State. 𝐸𝐸𝐡𝐚𝐼 Ojodubaga Road. Especially we're in 𝐸𝐸𝐡𝐚𝐼. You can see it, Solo Town. Omolafi Asoudero. You see the situation, no road. Exactly, there is no road here. All the roads have been dilapidated. Look at, there is no motorist crossing over. One day rain. One day rain. One day rain. What are you saying? Where are you? Where exactly are you? Huh? Ah. 𝐤𝐤𝐚𝐝𝐵𝐝𝐸. Look at the situation people are into in Ogun State, in 𝐸𝐸𝐡𝐚𝐼 area, Ogun State. This is 𝐸𝐸𝐡𝐚𝐼. This is 𝐸𝐸𝐡𝐚𝐼 along 𝐸𝐸𝐡𝐚𝐼 Road. Look at water entered people's houses. Watch. See, water entered people's houses because of the drainage system is not working. Everywhere is scattered. There is no road. Look at how motor cars are being stocked on the road. You can see it. 𝐸𝐸𝐡𝐚𝐼 Road. Please, we are calling on the governor of Ogun State to come and see what is happening here. Prince Dakpo Abiodun, see how your children, the people you have promised good life, good road when you were campaigning. This is the people you have promised good road when you were campaigning. Look at what they are suffering. Did you see it? This is pure inhumanity. Look at cars abandoned on the road. Better come and do what you have promised the people during your campaign project. See it. This is 𝐸𝐸𝐡𝐚𝐼, Ogun State, in Nigeria. See it. There is no road. You can see it. This is 𝐸𝐸𝐡𝐚𝐼. Riders and the owners of motorcycles organization. Look at it, Romo. You see it. People are suffering on this road. People are really suffering on this road. No drainage system, no road at all at all. No, I'm recording this water how it is. That everywhere don't bafuka finish. This is 𝐤𝐤𝐾𝐞 junction under bridge. Water don't carry everywhere. See, water don't carry everywhere. See, water don't they carry motor self. The government we have for Ogun State. See, this na 𝐤𝐤𝐾𝐞, Ogun State in a for local government. See the type of place where we get. Everywhere don't bafuka finish. See. It don't become water. Everywhere don't finish. No good road. From 𝐤𝐤𝐾𝐞 to Lambe. From Lambe to 𝐥𝐤𝐵, no road. Every road don't finish. To go there now na wahala, na big wahala. See am. Water don't they carry everything where they here. See Okada people. Everybody don't jump up. You see am. Na the government we get for. Now the government we will get for Ogun State. 𝐷AKWA I know say you know they waka past this area. 𝐷AKWA Prince 𝐷AKWA I know say you know they pass for Ogun State. No road where they here. I know say you live for Lagos. Come and see am with your eye. See wetin your people they suffer. Only money where people they collect for Okada people don't reach to do the road where they for 𝐤𝐤𝐾𝐞, Lambe, 𝐥𝐤𝐵, and so many part of the state. See am. You see am. Now this one na better government. Anybody wey see am make it talk. Na better government. 𝐷AKWA if you know say you no go fit do am, make you come down, make people wey go do am come. You see am. This is a situation report. This is Olambe Road. Akute Olambe Road. You see what is happening here. There is no road in Ogun State. This is exactly Ogun State. See how the motorists and the bike people, the pedestrians are suffering in Ogun State. Look at it. Did you see it? This is Olambe Road, Ogun State. I am reporting from Lambe Road, Ogun State. Akute Lambe Road. There is no road in Akute. There is no road in Lambe, in Matogu, and all the rest in all parts of Ogun State in Nigeria. There is no road. Look at a car have become a boat. You see it? A car have become a boat. See what is going on. We are calling on the governor of this state, Prince 𝐷AKWA to come and see what is happening in Ogun State. Only the taxes that Okada people are paying is due enough to take care of these roads. Look at what is going on. Look at it. Look at the masses. Look at the heavy traffic flow everywhere. Can you see it? Can you see it? Look at this. Is a local road. There is no road in Lambe. There is no road in Akute. There is no road in 𝐥𝐤𝐵. All of these places are choked up. Look at the little rain. No more road. Do you see it? Tell the governor of this state, Ogun State, 𝐷AKWA the Ministry of Works in Ogun State, see what is going on. See what is going on in Ogun State. See what is going on in Ogun State. It's very laughable that we have people like you and this city is suffering from no road. Very, very laughable. It is very, very laughable in Ogun State. Look at what is going on. Look at what is going on. I am reporting from Ogun State, from Olambe. Look at it. Nice petrol station.